Definitely with the Creative Industries Act, so the law that passed recently about the creative industries, I started thinking about really how to be intentional with our practices. I think yun yung dream ko for the Filipino creative, na sana tayo mismo within the industry mas maging intentional tayo in looking out for each other, making sure that hindi lang tayo productive, but also yung welfare natin is also protected. So hindi lang ito basta sa usapin na mabayaran tayo ng tama, no, but also to be able to realize our creative pursuits, mas magkaroon ng institutional support para sa iba't ibang kinds of creatives. Hindi lang yung mga palaging nasa front-facing, but also those who are behind the scenes. Kung hindi ako naging isang guro sa arts or isang writer din, I would still be probably doing cultural work. Pero this time around, yung trabaho siguro with me more as a lawyer. My dream before was really to pursue law, pero hindi siya natuloy. Given what I know now, I would have wanted to siguro pursue that. Maybe focus on copyright, IP, and also even cultural heritage, which I think very, very important na meron tayong mga lawyers at knowledgeable people in that sector.